anybody who, girl or boy, who says, you know, I'd get paid something more in the corporate world, I want to leave India and settle abroad, why the military? By the way, you don't need to convince me, I'm a signed up fan, die-hard fan of the military, but I wanted to come from you, especially girls, young girls in your family, in your neighborhood, girls here today who say, can I do it? What would you say, ma'am?
So, the olive green of the army, or it's the white of the navy, or blue of the Air Force. If you're a girl sitting in a metro, or a village, or maybe in some mountain and thinking, do I have it in me? Or am I really ready for it? Trust me, it's a loud and proud yes. Because I come from Nainital. Because I am from a very small town called Nainital, and it was a loud and proud yes for me. So of course it is for each one of you, and there's no limit. And the armed forces, in fact, everyone is saying the doors are opening. No, it's not opening. They are wide open. Everyone has to just walk, make a mindset, and just go for it. That's it I want to say.
Barkha, I would like to add here again. You know, in the army we ride on passion. And we are certainly living a life which is less ordinary.
Yes.
So if you're looking at high pay packages, I would admit that probably, yes, there is a difference. But we're living a life less ordinary. And our pay packets are very decent. And we have the 8th pay commission around the corner. So I don't think there's any reason. This should not be the reason.
And I feel
passionate.
I feel payment is not the reason. You're serving the nation. It's a pride in itself. It's the uttermost pride that you can have, being a Indian. It itself is an achievement. Absolutely. There's no other achievement or
I'm seeing other questions. Ma'am, come up on stage while they're talking. Can I?
Yeah.
Go ahead, ma'am.
You know, for me...
Go ahead.
Yeah, okay. Serving the country is the, ultimate expression of duty.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, so for me, wearing the uniform is the ultimate expression of duty. This is my identity. This is who I am.
And
when I wear the
army is
uniform,
not a job.
I feel more confident. I feel more responsible.